I'm Jim Houston, a realtor with ERA Team Real Estate, and I would like to take a minute to introduce you to a great townhome located at 24 Brierwood Circle. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and is located minutes from universities, great restaurants, world-class healthcare, shopping, and is very close to the interstate. A full kitchen allows the inner chef in you the ability to create world-class cuisine, while the wood-burning fireplace and the large living dining area make this townhome feel like home. The nature lover will love the covered back porch that overlooks a floral and decorative garden that requires very little upkeep, and a separate storage building in the back is ideal for a gardening shed or simply as additional storage. 24 Brierwood Circle in Conway could be yours. Call me today at 501-327-6731 or 501-400-5556. I'm Jim Houston with ERA Team Real Estate, the realtor you can rely on.